Number, ready, go! Wow, napaka-crispy po. At nag-aso-aso pa. Okay. Tingnan yung maigi, mga kapatid. Wala pong snake yan sa loob, ha? Alright. So, yan. Puro lang po lemongrass ang laman ito. And you can taste it later on. How does it taste? Using the Miss Jean Lechon premix. Okay, get to focus inside. Wala pong ibang ingredient dyan. Alright? At matikman po nyo mamaya. Napakasarap po lechon ng MJ using the Miss Jean Lechon premix. Okay? Alright. Ito din, kato yan. Yan, kato. Okay, okay. Yan. Wala pong conventional ingredients yan. Okay? So, this is now the new generation of pork lechon sa Pilipinas. Alright. Sige. So, we're gonna chop it and you can have it. You can try and taste it later on. Yung binigay po sa inyo mga sample ng lechon, yun na po yun. Yan, kasarap po yung MJ Lechon. Using the Miss Jean Lechon premix po. Okay? So we have just stopped the lechon to show you na wala pong mga conventional ingredient ang ginamit natin.
John Levels opening message. Good morning! Good morning! Alright, welcome to the launching of our product, the Miss Jean Lechon premix. Welcome naman. We're gonna make it fast so that di na maabdan sa init, no? Apit na, lugat na init. Apit na siya. Anyway, MJ Lechon House will continue to shine and crack new possibilities. Despite of the pandemic, the hardship, and the challenges that we have experienced at this point of time, MJ Lechon House continues to shine, to soar high, and crack possibilities. Shine and crack mo siya panik sa lechon, di ba? Alright. MJ Lechon House will continue to search and supply, because our goal is to provide employment for the people and opportunities, business opportunities for men and women in this country. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you later on for the opening This is the first ever product in the market in the Philippines and maybe in the whole world. The champion secret ingredient shall be revealed. Okay? Sabi niyo, bakit kaya masarap yung lechon sa MJ? Ano bang ginagamit ng mga ingredient? Anong meron sa MJ lechon? Bakit masarap? We are going to open this to the market so that people in Iligan City and all over the Philippines will have the opportunity to do business on their own. At this point of time, I'd like to thank you for coming and welcome to MJ Lechon House.
We will now be reviewing the first ever lechon products in the market. This is the first green lechon products, everyone. The first ever lechon products available in the market, providing equal opportunities to Iliganans and of course to all the Filipinos in the nation to start their own business. Ms. Jean, would you like to say something to all of our viewers in Facebook?
You can have the chance or you can have the discount up to 40% by being a distributor in your area. We'll be looking for distributors in all cities all over the Philippines. How to avail of being a distributor? You can visit our MJ Premix, or you can like and join us in our MJ Lechon House Facebook page, or you can contact us on our number 063-225-0206, or you can call us at 0917-103-15455. Thank you for watching and hope you can find the opportunity with MJ Lechon House with the MJ Lechon Premix.